everyone, happy 4th of July. I got a cool little show for you today. Thanks for tuning in. I started my weekend off by heading over to my little local museum we have in our little town, Gridley, California. Plus, I went and I visited my friend Matt at Pac Rat Trains and Toys again and got these two sweet Kato locomotives. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I got a great show coming up. Happy 4th of July. Well, I'm here at our little museum in Gridley, California. We have a museum downtown, and they're starting an exhibit for the Northern Electric Railway, which later became the Sacramento Northern Railway, and it ran just east of town. It was an electric railway that started in Chico, California, went up into Orville, through Gridley, many stops, a lot of stops. This little train stopped everywhere because it had passenger service all the way up into Marysville, Sacramento, and beyond to the Bay Area. Now, this locomotive was donated by a gentleman from Reading. This is a Baldwin Westinghouse steeple type locomotive. This is 442. The real 442 was built around the 1920s. It's a really neat part of the History Museum. So if you guys ever come down my way to Gridley, California, make sure you stop by our little historical museum here in downtown Gridley. All right, so I have two more brand new locomotives I got from my friend Matt, Pac Rat Trains and Toys. The first locomotive is 2975 SD 45-2. DCC ready by Kato, and I couldn't resist. 8613 Southern Pacific speed lettering SD 45. Also DCC ready. I don't have DCC chips in them yet, but I did run these and they run great. Plus, I was there, he has some more trees for me, so I can't wait to put these down on the layout. These are gonna look amazing. Woodland Scenics always does amazing jobs on everything they have. All right, guys, so here we are at my friend's shop, Matt, at Pac Rat Trains and Toys. He had a couple Kato locomotives that he wanted to show me, so let's see what else he's got going on in the store today. Guys ever swing by, come into town, please check out my friend's shop. You won't be disappointed, trust me. All right, guys, well, thank you for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please go over and hit that subscribe button and check out my previous videos. For all you guys that's been with me, thank you so much. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, thanks for the comments, the tips. Keep them pouring in, you guys. I will get right back with you. I love reading your comments and all your suggestions. You guys have a happy and safe 4th of July. Thank you, and thanks for tuning in. Also, I want you guys to go over to my friend Robert and Bonnie's eBay store. If you're on eBay and you happen to be looking for some cool accessories for your layout, they make amazing handmade products like this campfire and this car crash scene. They also make burn barrels and a lot of more fun things too. So check them out. I'll leave their site in the description and you guys won't be disappointed.